We love Maine because of the 4 seasons. To have the opportunity to sit outside and enjoy that even longer is fantastic. And that's what the enclosure does for us.
As soon as we saw the mock-up, we knew it would fit perfectly into our space. The window proportions, the color, all of it just suited our house and worked with what we wanted to do. I really like the look of this porch because it feels as though it's always been here. It just suits all of the aesthetics that we already have in place. The enclosure was done in one day. You guys showed up, I don't know, at like 8, and everybody was gone, and there was no sign of any employee left here come 4:30.
From start to finish, they would stop and answer questions. They're very clean. Everything was tidy. Just the whole process was so smooth. Everything, they knocked it out of the park. There's no comparison.